Dodgy was a cowboy with a grin like sin, a hat full of trouble and a scar on his chin. He rolled into town on a Tuesday night. His boots told stories, his eyes picked fights. Chainsaw's the devil on four hooves, a rage, a bull so mean he broke out of his cage. Dodgy said, "I'll ride him or I'll meet my end." The crowd held its breath, no one could pretend. They said Chainsaw's breath could burn through steel, his eyes like embers, his hate too real. Dodgy saddled up with a prayer and a smirk. The bull snorted fire, the air went berserk. Hold tight, Dodgy, don't let him win. The dust kicked up, the world spun thin. Chainsaw's the devil on four hooves, a rage, a bull so mean he broke out of his cage. Dodgy said, "I'll ride him or I'll meet my end." The crowd held its breath, no one could pretend. Eight seconds felt like an endless smile. Chainsaw butt with a wicked smile. Dodgy flew, the earth hit hard, left him lying broken, torn apart.